Let x, y, be finite elements of a finite group G. If x to the m is equal to y to the m for some m coprime to order G, then x equals y. So suppose the order of G is equal to k. Then, by assumption of m being coprime to the order of G, the greatest common denominator of k and m is equal to 1, i.e. there exists a, b in the integers such that ak plus bm is equal to 1. So x to the 1 is equal to x to the ak plus bm, which is equal to x to the k a times x to the bm, which is equal to, well, x to the k is just e, so we get this is equal to x to the bm, which is equal to x to the m to the b. Which is then equal to y to the m to the b, because x to the m is equal to y to the m. But then this is equal to, again, by the same thing here, x to the k, y to the k a times y to the bm, which is equal to y to the ak, y to the bm, which is equal to y to the ak plus bm, which is equal to y to the 1. So x to the 1 equals y to the 1, which is what we wanted.